Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Delta Dawn from Trolls, so let's get started. To draw this country troll, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And same thing right next to it. So go right there. Just giving enough space for a little nose. So let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you for all the love you've given me, cuties, for the trolls that I've drawn so far from the new movie, and for all the requests. So definitely keep giving me requests for more trolls if you want me to keep drawing them for you in the comments below. Okay, so we have her eyes in, so I'm going to come right here at the top. She has this kind of like a, I guess what would you call it? It's like a little eyeliner. So it's just a little curve, a kind of slight slant on the top of her eye. And same thing on this side. And you know what? Maybe I should shade that in black, right? Okay, there. And then above her eye, pretty high up, so let's say about right here. I'm just going to come up in this area and draw a curve that kind of slants down. And same thing over here. So right there, curve and then slants down, and then a little bit thicker on this edge. And then let's come in between her nose, in between her eyes, we're going to draw her nose. So right in between, just draw a curve. And then we're going to come in with one curve on both sides, smaller one. And then the center is going to be wider for the troll nose. And then a big smile, right? So right underneath the nose, let's come right here and draw a big smile. Slightly comes up on this side and then cap it off. So now that we have her face, and let's go ahead and draw her head. So I'm going to come right where her eyes are, come out, say about this much. And same thing on the other side, just approximate, say about this much. And I'm going to start to draw her head right here, face. So it's going to be nice and wide. It's going to come out. Little curve. And then we're going to round it off and bring it right back down here under the mouth. So about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. A little bit shallower at the bottom. So then from there, let's come to the top, right close to her brows, and I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center. From this center point, I'm going to draw a curve that goes up on this side and comes right back down to complete my head. And same thing over here to complete the... Should you call this the head or the face? I need to look that up. Okay, so we're done with that. Now let's draw the fabulous hair, right? So in this little nook that we've created, I'm going to start with the first curve. So just one big loop, because Delta hair is all about her hair, right? So I'm going to bring it in. And I'm just going to cross over. Since I have a whiteout pen, I'll just go in there and erase that. And definitely do that if you have a pencil. So we're just drawing one big loop right there. And then The second loop is going to come also from this area. Another big one. Actually, you know what? I think I went too high, so let's curve that down a little bit and bring it all the way down close to the face right here, and then come out and tuck it in. So then the next loop is another one. So right in here again, all coming from that area, we're going to come up and curve out. So we just want to get the main ones in, and then the rest is just much easier. And right back in here. Okay, so then you can come in here and just draw some lines for indication. Hair. And okay, so then from there, let's not forget her ears. So in this area right here, I'm going to tuck in her ear. So I'm going to imagine her ear, whatever space you have left. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in some ear right here. So, and then just the inside of her ear. So let's do the same thing on the other side, whatever space you have left. So right there, and say about right here, just approximate, so about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in the other side, and so imagine it line in there. Okay, so now we can work on this hat that's on top of her hair. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, and then in this area right here, I'm going to start to draw the hat. So I'm going to start with a curve, a deep curve first. So it's a small little hat compared to her hair, and I'm going to go up, and same thing over here. So it's easier for my hand. I'm just going to go this way. And then right in the center, I'm going to draw an angle line that comes up to a curve at the top and comes right back down. And then in this area right here, I'm just going to round off the bottom. And I'm going to add a little star right here. There, I got her cowboy hat in. Okay, so then now she still has more hair. We need to continue. So continuing this curve, let's just imagine it going through, and I'm just going to start to bring it out. And you know what? Let's start this one first. So we're going to come out all the way around, and at the top right here, I'm just going to use this and just draw some mounds of hair. So 1, 2, and then I'll part it about right here. So we're going to go the other way now. And start to just wobble our way across, down. Immense, right? Hope I didn't make it too big. Okay, so then on this side right here, I'm just going to bring in a little curl right here. And bring it in. And start to wobble. And same thing here. I'm just going to add a little curve, curl, and bring it in. And I'll leave the rest for later because I have to draw her body first. So let's come right here, and we're going to come right in the center. And I'm going to draw her collar first. So just 2 slight curves. And then bring in another curve. And then right here, just give her shoulders. So it's a curve. And then imagine her armpits about right here and here. I'm going to start with 2 angle lines. And then now we can go ahead right in this area and connect it. I'm going to give her a little cuff for her shirt. So same thing over here. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in this area right in here and draw a big circle. So there's this massive button accessory that she has right here. And I'm going to come in here with another circle. Kind of. And then inside we're going to draw this kind of like a star detail right here for the button. Okay, so then from there we're going to use this right here and go right across. And another line right here. And then now the bottom part right here. So we're going to start to draw the horse body right here. So just continue this, come out, and we're going to round it off. And connect. There. So then let's work on the arms first. So I'm going to imagine this coming through. So her arms are just kind of like resting on her hip. So it's like very simplified. So a little curve, come in here, and then draw another curve and tuck it in. So same thing, continuing this, come out, curve it in, and add a curve, tuck it right back in. So then for her legs, the horse legs. So right in the center, I'm going to draw a slight angle. And so the legs are thinner at the top and they get wider towards the bottom. So that's 1. So same thing here. 2 front ones, then the hoof. And add some indication of back ones. So a little bit higher up. There. Something like that. Okay, so then now we can finish off the fabulous hair. Let's come right here, just draw some lines. Right here, some curves to tuck in the hat so that the hat looks like it's sitting on the hair. And finish this part. Should go this way, I forgot. So erase that line right there. And let's see. Okay, so then let's come right here. Let's work on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the rest of her hair. Give it another curl right here. And I'm just basically going to start to tuck it into this area right there. And if you want, you can draw some more strand details. If you like. Okay, so then on this side, let's come right where the ears are, and we're going to start to draw these 3 curves. And curve all the way back in. So this is supposed to make it look like it's round. Well, you know what? I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm adding too much detail. Okay, so something like this for her hair. And so then now her tail. So it has this fabulous tail. I'm going to bring it about right in this area. And bring in a curve. purl and then go back out and tuck it right back in here. And so you might see some here, so I'm just going to add a curve right here, and whatever space you have left in here, just add it in. So there, that's pretty much it. I hope I didn't overcomplicate the hair on Delta Dawn here and you like how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.